撳，你即係用某一種力量去撳住佢，唔俾佢起，唔好用盡力，一定起唔到。用某種力量撳住。
Use a bit of force to prevent him from raising his arm. You don't use full force here because you definitely won't be able to lift it. 你幫手。
佢吃唔吃力？你撳下佢。
Is he requiring to use a lot of strength? Pressing
好啊，咁你又再用大力少少，再
A little
大少
stronger.
少，
A
睇
little
下
stronger.
佢有冇辦法
See
起
if you can
好
raise
難起啦。
Now it's very difficult.
咁就用綁手嘅用力方法，好啦。
Okay.
到而家你咁
The
樣
way
啦
to use bongso's
放鬆，
force. Okay, relax.
放鬆，
Relax.
放鬆呢度。
Relax here.
呢個手就咁樣，好似打攤手咁
Okay.
掟出去啦。
Now this hand moves out, sort of like a tanso.
嗱，
Moves
咁
out
樣
sort of like a tanso.
攤咗隻手出去之後，起綁手啦，而家。
Okay,
起
now
綁手
we turn into a
呢度
ball.
綁手
Raise into a ball.
攤咗啊咁樣啦。嗱，而家咧佢就做得唔係幾好啦。
Now you haven't done it very well yet.
好啦，你記唔記得頭先撳到佢起唔到綁手用幾多力？
Do you remember how much force you put on him? Press Sigong now.
嗱，撳住啊，因為佢唔識用呢個綁手嘅用力，
Because he hasn't
所以佢
understood.
變咗你撳住。
Because he
變咗
doesn't know how to
咁樣
use a
起啦
bongso yet.
好啦，嗱，
It's
你
very
同
difficult to
樣
raise
嘅
it.
力量撳
Now
住我。
use the same force to press me.
嗱，咁我就放低個綁手，
And then I'll
轉
relax
呢個
the
關節
shoulder,
轉呢個關節
turn the joint, turn this joint,
咁樣就係咁樣就遞起咗佢啦。
and then I've raised it.
嗱，咁啊用咧就咁樣綁個手啦，咁啊放到好鬆，一擺呢個關節，
Relax and place.
咁就係啊。
And this is
咁
how
啊
you
落
do
咧，
it. Now when we go down,
嗱，咁啊當佢一個綁手落啦，佢阻住唔
so,
俾我落，
so don't prevent me from going down.
咁樣咧就呢個手咧一轉，
Just turn,
咁就等咗個手落
and
去
then
啦
we can just place the hand
嗱，
down.
咁就好似打小念頭打呢個姿勢啦。
And it's just
如
like as
果
if
佢
we're
隻
doing the
手
first
咁
form,
撳住
that
我
kind of。movement. So if he's
我
pressing
又
me
用
down,
攤手，
I can
我
use
又
the
唔
tanso.
想，我又唔係啦。佢頭先我喺面做啊，佢而家撳住我，我個綁手喺底。
Now when I'm on the
我
inside,
轉攤手打佢咧，我就要咁樣啦，就唔可以
if
打
I
咁
turn
低
into
啦。
tanso and to strike him, I can't lower it that much if I want to hit him.
咁就唔可以擺咁
And
低。
then I can't place it that
咁
low.
啊，即係用嗰陣咧，我喺面就用到咁低，喺底就唔用咁低啦。
So when we use it in a practical application, when we're on the outer, then we can place it lower. When we're on the inner, we don't have to use it that low.
好啦，你都好大力。
Okay,
你
you're
試
quite
下
strong. Let's
用
try
隻
it.
綁手變隻攤手。
Just try a bongso, turning
變
into a
隻攤手，變
tanso.
落嚟變隻攤手。
Turn into a tanso.
嗱，呢個就係綁手嘅用法啦。
Now this is a way
佢
of
雖
using
然好大
bongso.
力，
Even though he's very strong,
佢遞唔到落去。
but he can't place it down.
嗱，我帶佢睇下。
Okay, I'll do it for him.
即係個綁手咁樣，如果做得好就有一種力量啦。
If you do it well, there will be a force there. A kind of force there.
咁啊，
If you want to try it any time, just come
咁
up.
啊，我哋話到你中級嗰陣，你就研究嗰個手法點樣去用呢種力量。
And so when we talk about the second stage, we talk about learning how to use the force that's produced by that structure.
啊，仲有咩問題？
Are there any other questions?